Today we're making garlic butter popcorn. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today's a really fun one. Today is garlic butter popcorn to keep all those vampires away when you're watching whatever scary movie you love. This is really simple. And what does it start off with? Popcorn. I'm going to use air popped popcorn because, well, it's what I had. However, I lost the top of my air popper, but I'll take care of that. So the first thing we want to do is just pop a bowl of popcorn. This does not matter how much popcorn you have because you're going to be able to control how much garlic butter you put onto it. But let's pop our popcorn. I didn't make that big of a bowl. Now I'm going to take my butter and melt it, because you need melted butter. Remember, if this is your first time here, hit subscribe. And also ring that bell for notifications. Don't forget to share this video so that way we can grow our neighborhood. All the ingredients are listed down below and also are the links to the products that I use. Now let's do the other things. We have garlic powder. Right now you want to mix that up right away. We want this to be really garlicky. Make sure that there are no lumps in your garlic powder. To that I'm going to add thyme, basil, parsley, and oregano. Give that a nice stir. Ooh, it smells like garlic butter already. Now I'm going to pour this over my popcorn a little bit at a time. How much you do is up to you. When you do this, mix it up as you go. Some of you are saying, but there is no salt in there. Not yet, at least. Okay, so that we can control our salt, I actually have garlic salt. You can use regular salt. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit over the top. Now I'm going to just get myself some. Alright, let's give this a taste. It tastes like garlic butter on popcorn. It's heaven. Now, the cool thing about this is you can control your ingredients. You can decide you don't like parsley, you want more of something, you decide how much of what goes in here. Maybe you want more salt. That's why I said do the salt separately, simply because that way you can control how much salt you want in there. Because I'm not a big salt person, but this is so good. It will leave your fingers greasy because, well, it's garlic butter. What were you expecting? It's garlic butter. But boy, is this good. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I do hope that you make this. It is frightfully good, and you're going to scare up a really good time making this. If you do, like I said, let me know. Don't forget to check out these videos that I picked out just for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.